I need a CNC vector file. Let me show you how we did it. I'm going to start with an arc right here, 3 points for an arc. I'm going to switch to a line in the software and do 1 point there for that line. Switch back to an arc here, do the midpoint of the arc, the end point of the arc. I now have a line, switch to line, do that point there. I have an arc, midpoint, end point. I now have a curve here. The curve I do is a series of points and it fits a spline curve fit through those points. Just go around. Now here I have a turn point. I click turn point. I now continue the curve. Just go around with digitizing the points. I now have a line. I now have two arcs. I do the midpoint, endpoint, midpoint, endpoint. I'm all done with that. Now let's do some circles here. I'm going to do 3-point circles. Just do any 3 points on that edge and it pops in a circle. There it is. It looks great. It's called the Logic Tray System. Save the file.